Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As Ramadan is coming to a close and we make preparations for Eid and life after Ramadan, many people who are not punctual on their salawat, many people who are not observant of their deen before Ramadan started to practice in Ramadan. Let us continue our worship even after Ramadan. As friends, steadfastness, istiqamah, is an important aspect of our deen. When Bishr Hafi rahmatullah alayhi was told about those people who only worship Allah in Ramadan and they let go of their ibadah as soon as the crescent of Eid is sighted, he said, "How wretched are those who only recognize their Lord for 1 month a year." Take the example of a business which opens 1 month a year. How can that business ever be successful? How can a Muslim who only worships Allah 1 month a year, how can he ever attain paradise? And in the hadith of Sahih Muslim, the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam is reported to have said that the most beloved actions to Allah are those which are consistent even if they are little. So as Ramadan approaches its end, it's normal that a person who is reading 3 juz in Ramadan, he may not be able to commit to 3 juz daily even after Ramadan. But what's important is consistency. That even if he reads 1 juz a day, he maintains that 1 juz a day. So consistency is key after the month of Ramadan. Let us not be of those who have worshipped Allah through the entire month and then let go of his worship because of Eid. Let us not be of those who destroy our akhirah in pursuit of dunya and the pleasures of dunya. Istiqamah is a very big part of our deen. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillah rabbil alamin.